All right, I just bought the stick knobs, the black edition from Mikado USA. It came today. Now I'm gonna open it, and let's see how it looks like. Looks like it's already sharpened. Oh, I like the metal. Let's put it on. I kept those block knobs too, so I'll do it. First, I'll show you my Vbar. See, I got red here and red here. This operates all the motor. This is my motor off, idle, motor on, and my safety switch. So I'll put black now. Nothing really special, it's just my preference, my personal preference thing. So now this, oh, I forgot, I took out the yellow. This yellow is my bank switch, and the other yellow is my rescue switch. So everything now is going to be black. There you go. We'll put on the stick first. Let's open this. This is the switch. It's really cool. I don't know why, if I need it or no, but what the hell, whatever. See, it goes down. I'm not gonna put any Loctite. Last time I couldn't even take it out. So it says short. I have the short knob, so it looks like it's short, yeah. Another one. I gotta heat it up to take that. Let's take the other one, cut it open. Like I said, it's just a personal preference to put this on. I don't know why I did it, but I think I just want it to be more now. When I had my DX9, everything there is, it's the black edition. It's nice. So I'm gonna turn this all the way down. There you go. Other one won't come in. Won't. Not come in. Won't get in. There you go. Now it's so. Maybe Sharpie will help that other end right there. Yeah. My V's. I just highlight that. So, yep. And I got another VTX sticker. Alright. Thank you. There you are. The black sticks and knob from Mikado USA for your Vbar control. Those rubber thingies are also available in Mikado USA. I don't know what it's called. And I don't know why I have it too. But it looks good. Alright. Thank you.